Hello everyone, look at this material. On several of my old tutorials, I show you how to draw them and get them. If you are interested, click here for the tutorial. And on today's tutorial and the following video, I will select some of this material to make different combinations, and then I will print out and make them in reality. Okay, now let's pick some material to make today's design. I will take the arch and the butterfly, some flowers. Okay, look, this is the design. And then I will print out the backdrop and set up the flower to make all the design in reality. Now let's go. Okay, I asked the factory to print and cut all the backdrop for me. Let's start in with the butterfly. Since I already took the tutorial to show you the detail about how to set up the backdrop, so I fast skip it. If you are interested for the detail, click here for the old tutorial. Okay, the butterfly was set up. Then let's set up the arch. Look, this is the butterfly I set up. I didn't make it in same size. If you want it the same, we can change the color and change the size as you want. And look, I set up the arch also. Okay, now let's put this arch on the middle and make our design. Okay, look, this is the effect after I put the arch on the middle of the butterfly. And now, let's hang up our flower arrangement. Okay, look, completed with the flower arrangement. The detail about how to make the flower arrangement and how to click them on the arch, you can check my old tutorial by click here. I don't repeat on this video. Actually, very simple. Just use the floral foam, and or if you have the floral foam with clip, will be better. Insert the flower and clip on the arch, on the backdrop will be okay. Okay, now on the middle, let's set up our pedestal. Look, this is our folding pedestal. Since I already took a tutorial to show you the detail about this pedestal, if you are interested, click here for the old tutorial. I don't repeat on this video. Okay, look, this is our pedestal, and also put on our cake. Yeah. This is my handmade artificial cake. I just use some KT ball and hot paper cut to make the cake. Okay, completed. Let's check the whole effect. Look, our cake pedestal with butterfly, and then together with our arch. In fact, if you have LED light, hang an LED light sign, LED sign on the arch, the come out will be much more pretty. Okay, check it from top and from the bottom. What do you think? Do you like it? For your information, we can how to design the simple backdrop. You can tell me your idea or send me your design. We can print out the backdrop and send to you together with other accessories like flower and leaf. Look, we supply the flower and leaf also. If you are interested, you can inbox me via Facebook page. Find the link from the information field below this video. Okay, this is today's tutorial. Please like, share, and comment. Don't skip the app as supporting. If you like this idea, please buy me a cent as supporting. I will use this money to buy more material and take more video. Thank you for your watching. Bye.